Okay, next let's go over how to use the camera, how to take pictures, and then find out where it saves the pictures after you take the picture. So on the main screen here, you'll see the camera button all the way to the bottom right. Tap on that button there, and there are obviously you have a front camera and a rear camera. The reason the screen is dark is because the phone right now is showing us out of the rear camera, and the rear camera is on the table, so we can't see. If you want to flip the camera so you're looking out of the front, the selfie camera, you just press this button here, and this will flip the camera. And now it's showing us from the front camera. So to take a picture, you simply press the white button in the center. Make sure this says photo. Right now we're on the camera mode, which is the photo mode. If you wanted to switch to video, you tap on the video button and the icon will change from a white dot to a red dot with white around it. Now we're on the video mode, and if I press the red button, it will begin to record a video. You'll see it counting up at the top, which tells you that the video is recording. And you can actually snap still pictures while you're recording video by tapping this button here. This will grab stills. You can always pause the video, press the red button to continue it. You can switch to the rear camera while you're still recording that video. And then when you're all done, press the square to stop the video. Now to the left, you'll see this preview screen. When you tap on the preview, you can go to the last thing that you took a picture of or last video that you recorded. So here's our video, and I can simply hit play to have it play back. And you can actually snap still pictures while you're just like that. Now, I'm going to hit the home button. Where does it save the picture and how can I go see it later? Well, we're going to swipe up on the home screen, go to our gallery app, and here's where we'll find all the pictures that we just took and the video that we took. Now we're in the pictures section right now. We can switch to albums, and in albums it will separate the pictures by camera. These were pictures taken from messages. These are just recent, everything that we just took, and favorites. Now let's go back to the camera. I want to show you a few more things. Now let's flip to the front camera again and go back to photos. Now you can switch the zoom. You can zoom in and out by tapping on these two buttons right here. So this is wide and this is a close-up. You can also pinch with your fingers to zoom. Now the front camera doesn't allow you to do much zooming, but the rear camera will let you zoom a lot. So watch this. You have these shortcut buttons here. I can press the 2 to zoom in more. Let's put something here. Okay, there we go. That's better. Press the 1 to zoom out and the 0.5 to zoom out further. And the phone is actually switching between the lenses on the back. So we're at 0.5, we're zoomed really far out, and the 2 is now we're zoomed in. You can keep zooming. There's a 4 times and a 10 times, but that's a digital zoom. And just know that when you go past the 2 times zoom, it can get a little blurry. You can pinch in to zoom out or pinch the other way to zoom in. So you have 2 options there. You also have a few more camera settings as well. So you have more, and here you'll have some other settings from a pro setting to a panoramic, food mode, slow-mo, macro for really close-up pictures of like flowers, different things like that. And you have a hyperlapse mode. So you have all these other cool modes and a night mode that's built in that'll optimize the settings for darker environments. So that's just a brief rundown of how the camera works and how to get to the different settings. Now, one cool accessory I just want to mention in the video is this watch here. This is the Samsung Galaxy Watch FE. It just came out this year, and it's a really great complement to this phone. You can use this watch to actually track your steps, your heart rate. You can answer the phone when someone calls right from your watch. And it's a very reasonable price. I'm going to link it on screen right here. In case you're looking for something to help you stay a little more active, this watch will, again, track your steps, track your heart rate. You can answer your messages on it. You can check your emails. It does so much, and it's a really good price as well. So definitely check that out. That's the Samsung Galaxy Watch FE. So if you got a lot of value out of this video, first I would ask you to hit the like button down below. If you want to watch the full video that this is from, my A16 for beginner video, check out that link to the left, and to the right, you'll find a link to my full playlist with all my other A16 videos. Check out these resources to help you continue learning your phone. Thanks again for watching. Take care, and as always, have a good one.